can you make the letter sound? Who can show you how? Let's learn about the letter A. This is the capital A. This is the small a. You know how the A looks now. Let's make the letter sound A. A, a, a. A, 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 a. A, a, a. A, 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 a. Let's learn with me. A, a, a. A, 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 a. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for arrow. A is for astronaut. A is for alligator. Assalamualaikum. I am your little star Anabiya Maham. Next letter is B. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.